This is ChatGPT Agent Killer introducing to you Goose. So Goose is totally free and an open source, and I'm going to show you what Goose can do, and you are going to be wowed. Okay, so the first thing is that you can chat with Goose and then ask it to do anything. Okay, so from my desktop, you can see that I have a PDF named AI install. Okay, and I'm going to ask Goose to create a folder for me and then put that PDF into that folder and then name the name of the folder that it has created as my PDF files. Okay, just like this one. So after that, I'm simply going to click on the send button to send it. Okay, and as you can see, Goose is working on it, and within some minutes, I would say seconds, Goose has done it for me. Okay, so within a twinkle of an eye, Goose has done it. So let's go in there and check it. So it has created a folder, and then let me open it for you to see, and then it has moved the PDF into it. That's the power of an agent. So I'm then going to tell it to delete the folder and then maintain the PDF back to where it was because I made a mistake. Okay, so I'm simply going to click on the submit button, and within a second, okay, it has done it. It has deleted the folder and then maintained the file. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having back my PDF right here. Okay, and let me tell it to empty my recycle bin. So this is what is in the recycle bin. So I'm going to tell it to empty it. Okay, so I want you to empty my recycle bin from the desktop for me without me doing it. Okay, so I'm simply going to click on the submit button, and let's go and check the recycle bin is empty. Let me open it for you to see, and there is nothing in the recycle bin. This is awesome. It is not just about removing, deleting, and all that. It also have an insert button that you can come and then add any file just like this, and then come and click on the open. And then over here, you can see that it has been attached, and I'm going to ask it to tell me what is in the file that I just attached. Okay, and after that, I'm simply going to click on submit, and you can see it has been able to summarize what is within the file for me, and that is awesome. It can also provide you with codes like index HTML, star CSS, and then JavaScript for you to use to build a web app. Okay, so it can generate awesome codes. So just like this, I'm going to click on submit, and it's going to give me all the codes, as you can see, that I can use to create a simple web app. Okay, and you have your copy option to copy all the codes, and let me show you the web app that it created. Okay, so this is the web app. It is a birthday day calculator. Let me check it for you to see. So over here, what that is does is that it is going to tell you how old you are, okay, by selecting your date of birth. So let me select a date of birth for you to see, so that you know exactly how it works. Okay, so over here, this is the date of birth, and then when you come and then click on calculate, it's going to tell you how old you are, the day you were born. So you see you were born on Sunday, and then it is going to tell you the year, the months, the days, and then the seconds. And it's going to wish you something nice. So it's going to say that your next birthday is on that day, and then it is wishing you a wonderful year ahead. Okay, that is a simple web app by Goose. Okay, so to get Goose, just go to Google and then type in GitHub code name Goose, hit enter. It's going to bring you right here. Come and select the official page of GitHub, and then over here you have the option to come and then install Goose. Okay, by simply coming to click on the install Goose. When you click on it, you have to come and then select your operating system. Okay, so we have it. We have the Mac, we have the Linux, and then we have the Windows. So let's say you select Windows. Over here, you have the option to come and select the desktop and then the Goose CLI. Okay, so I'm using the Goose desktop, and then you can come and then click on the download to download it. So when it finishes downloading, simply extract the file and remove this on your desktop. Okay, remove it from the extracted folder and come to the CMD and come and select the command prompt. Okay, and then over here, all that you have to do is simply show the command that it is at your desktop by saying cd desktop, then you hit enter, and after that simply come in and write the name by saying cd desktop. Okay, just come and then make sure that this is the name by saying cd. So within the cd desktop, just say cd, then the name of the folder, and that is this dash windows, and then you hit enter. Then come and then type goose.execute version. Okay, then you hit enter, and then it is going to open the goose for you. It is totally free and then open source, and you can use it right now.